Alright y'all, I'm going to go ahead and get started on doing some more rust repair on this old truck. I'm going to start with this upper windshield panel right here. We'll get that bad boy cut out, weld it up. Got some rust above this door right here, as you can see. I'll have to make something for this. This is still looking good. It's pitted right there a little bit, but it's still strong, so I'll look into that. The other side over there, I done cut a chunk out, so I got to fab something in there. Yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna cut this bad dog out. On these old trucks, they got this little clip right here separating these two panels. You can pop that off. You can try to save it if you want to. If not, you can always make another one. I'm gonna try to save it if I can. If not, I'll just cut it off. See, that come on up pretty good right there. I may be able to work with it and pop it right off. If not, you can always make another one. There it is. Alright, after getting that little clip out of there, all I got to do now is go ahead and splice this right here so this panel could come off, and I'll just make me a new piece. I'll just weld it in, flatten it out, and weld me a new piece in there, you know, to weld this on. There's spot welds up under there. Then anyway, I'll come in here and cut this. My new panel is right here, so I still got 2 or 3 spot welds right there. I'm going to take my cutter and cut this, get this panel out. Alright, I got to patch a piece right here, as you can see, to make it match that side. I cut it out. This is what's left, so I got to go down and over a little bit, patch this in. Found me some thick metal here, the same thickness as this here, a little thicker than your regular patch panel metal, whatever gauge that is, but it's real good and thick. So let me get this cut in, scribe it in, weld it up, get on with it. Alright, I went out here and cut this metal here to pretty much match what I cut out. You can see right there, pretty close. Don't have to be exact. I got to make sure this end right here fits pretty good. I've got 3 lines right there. I'm going to go ahead and splice the bottom right here so I can bend this piece around, because it makes a little turn right there. Alright, after cutting and carrying on, I got this piece here ready to go in. I'm going to go ahead and weld these slices here up first, as you can see. I'll weld that up, then I'll weld this up, then I'll go ahead and prime the back of it real good, since I can't get back there on this one. Let's get with it. Alright, after getting this welded in right here, I'll put a little filler piece back there. Got that all tightened up, ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and get started on these upper door patches right here. Went to the junkyard, friend I know, had an old truck out back. He let me cut them out. That gives me a good start right there. So I'll go ahead and get that put in. And on the inside, they got a little work to do right here, as you can see. I'm going to make something for that. Same thing for the other side. That inside panel ain't too bad. Well, yeah, it is. We'll get it all cut out. Let's get started. Alright, after getting this piece fitted and cutting in, I'm going to leave this panel up here for now because it gives me something to gauge by. That'll go ahead and lock in there. This side will butt that. It's butting the old metal for now because I got to cut a little bit of this off right here because it's got rust in it. And I'll take this off and lap it in there. But first I'm going to go ahead and weld this piece in all the way down. Alright, after getting this metal welded up here, I cut a chunk out right here on this side. Right here, I got to cut out a piece of rust up top. Get this new piece in. I welded a few holes up right there. Looks good. Here's this piece up top right here I'm going to cut out. And I'll probably cut it here. Make my own little piece, weld it into the side. Well, it's got to go under. So I'll get it back like it's supposed to be. This side here, I got to weld a little chunk back in there while I cut that out. Reinforce that. So, let's get back at it. Already got this piece welded in up top and through the top, all on the brackets and everything. So I got this little piece right here. Sometimes they take a little while to get fitted in. So what I'll do, get it close, weld that bad boy in. Alright, after getting everything welded in, I got to get it grinded. I'll come back with this little wheel right here, grind everything down pretty good, as much as I can. Come back with the 80 on that flap disc. And the 120, whatever I can't get, I'll use that little bad dog right there and get it smoothed out. Here we go. Already got all the inside looking pretty good for now. What I did with the top, went on, patched all the pieces that I need to patch. That main brace right there, got everything welded in from the bottom. Them welds don't have to look good. Done the same thing over here. Welded in good there, secured. Grind it down right here. Got to do a little bit more work. Body filler, seam seal here, like the original. Still got to fix the inside. So we're good on the inside of this door for now, till I get to the other side. I'm gonna leave it at that for now, y'all. Y'all take it easy.